What's going on, world? It's your boy Jaw back again with another video. This video we're going to take a look at something that I've been wanting to explore for quite some time now, and that's truly wireless earbuds. Now, these were sent over to me by the folks over there at Soundpeats. They reached out to me for sending this out for my review, and thank you, Soundpeats, appreciate that. Now, if you don't know what truly wireless earbuds are, they're where you have the traditional earbuds where either they go in your ear, they have the little loop, either one, and you have the wire in the middle. These eliminate the wire in the middle. So you would still get the same kind of audio output, it's just you're getting audio to each individual earbud. So this necessarily, it could be easier to carry around if your earbuds have a good charge, you just carry those around. But it's all preference. You know, if you want to go this way, if your phone just so happens to still have your 3.5 jack and you want to use that, you can always use that. But I feel like these would be the way that things are going nowadays, with a lot of manufacturers getting rid of the 3.5 jack. These are in the right direction, so this is good. We're going to a good place, people. So let's keep venturing off. But let's get into the box of this. The outside of the box. Now, before I start, this is the 380 milliamps model. This one retails for $30. Now they do have a $50 model where it's the same earbuds, but the cradle themselves is 2600 milliamps. Now this gives you 15 hours of playback, the other one gives you 55 hours of playback. Now when I say it gives you playback, when you take these out the cradle, your earbuds are not going to give you 15 hours of straight playback, no. The other one is not going to give you 55 hours of straight playback. You know, that would be incredible, but it won't. The cradle itself is what gives you that hours of playback. The earbuds themselves will probably give you roughly like three, almost 4 hours, depending on the use of playback. When you put it in here, it'll recharge it again, and that'll give you more hours of playback. Put it here, recharge it again, it'll give you more hours of playback. Now this is just a cradle. This is not plugged in, the cradle being plugged in charge. It's just the cradle itself giving the battery to the buds. So that's where you get 15 hours of playback in the cradle. Once you put it into charge, take them out, use them, put them into charge, take them out, use them, you'll get the 15 hours. And same thing for the other one. Just have a bigger battery to give more charge, let's just say. Now in the box, we're greeted with the earbuds themselves in their little cradle. That little micro USB cable. Instructions, don't think we're gonna need those, just that good. And earbud tips, highly recommend, experiment, find the right tips for your ear canal. You'll lose out on a lot of crisp sound if you don't find the right ones for your ear canal, so highly recommend that. But let's get to the buds themselves. Now, small little cradle, you know, you can palm it, so you can throw it in your bag. It's magnetic, so you don't have to worry about them just popping out or anything. Now let's get my Bluetooth set up here. Now you pull them out and let's get you in sync over here, and let's see, let's scan. Okay, popped right up after scanning, and they're connected. So you could tell, I don't know if you could see it there, but there's a little L there, a little right there to tell you which one's left, which one's right. And inside the cradle here, there's a little right there and a L right there, so you know where they go, but usually just put them in. If they fit, then you know you're in the right one. But let me just put these in just to double check and make sure that there is audio coming through them. Okay, let's place some. Cool. So we have audio coming through the left, audio coming through the right. Okay. Let's see, double tap on the right, That'll be your next track. Double tap on the left. Repeat the same track, but if you do it when you're at the beginning of that track, it goes back to the previous track. Okay, and I know you could do voice assistant, so if you have Google Assistant, Siri, let's see. Okay, and okay. So you hold it for a couple seconds and voice assistant will pop up. So that is good. Okay, so that's good. Actually, let's check one more thing. Put these in to charge. Takes a while, but okay. They're charging. The audio has stopped. Okay, so that's a good thing. Now these don't automatically stop when you take them out of your ear. I know some of them will do that. But honestly, you're paying $30 for these. So don't think you can get that much, but it would be great. But they're still good for what they do offer. Now, I'm gonna play with these for a little while, and I'll come back with my final verdict on these. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm playing with these for about a good hour now, and frankly, for $30, these are good. You really can't beat like what you're getting for that price. It's not a high end. You're not gonna get the bells and whistles, like you take them off, it automatically pauses the music or anything like that. No, you're not gonna get that. But for what you do get for that price, is really, really, really good. Now, if you are new to truly wireless earbuds and you want to dabble in that, these are definitely a good pair to get. Now, I have the left one in, and it doesn't stick out that much. Like, they're gonna stick out. You have a whole mechanical, audio system on your ear in your earbuds. So you gotta sacrifice something, but the fit is good. Like, they don't come out easy. Like, now, granted, if I was sitting there jumping, and my main goal was to make it come out, yes, they will come out. Like, let's just be honest, they're gonna come out if you're doing it on purpose. But overall, just general use, just general walking around, swinging your head back and forth, bending down, anything like that, they're not gonna pop out, and that's a good thing. So you don't have to really worry about losing them. Now, some people do use the wired headphones just for security, that, okay, if they fall out, they're going to dangle right there. This, yes, you don't run the possibility of losing them if it does somehow fall, but you'll automatically know when you stop hearing audio coming out of whatever earbud it falls out of. But besides the fact, these are good. These are really good for the price. Now, I'll post a link to this in the description down below, and I'll also post a link to the bigger battery one if you want to purchase that one, if you just want that extra battery life. But just remember, like I said, you're getting the same use on each buds out of the charge. So don't expect you get a bigger battery on the case that the buds are going to last longer. No, it all depends on your use. It all depends on the volume that you're listening to them at. So that's really it, guys. So like I said, highly recommend these. Definitely pick them up. Post a link in the description down below. And until I see you guys on the next one, peace.